Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you appear offline on Valorant. In order to appear offline on Valorant, you could follow these steps. First thing first, you want to open the application or browser and then simply type in github.com/webbell/device/releases. Once you go to this browser, next you want to simply go ahead and download the device.exe file. Next field, you want to open the device app. As you've opened this up, you want to select Valorant as a game that you want to run with this device. As you've selected that, you want to right click on the mouse and open or run Valorant. Now then, you simply want to look at the active friend list. As you've done it so, you'll then be able to see that offline, or you could see offline. So this is basically how you could do it so, or this is how you could appear offline on Valorant. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello?